Today, we're diving into a style that's as soulful as it is stylish, Hacienda style for modern homes. What happens when timeless Hacienda charm meets modern home design? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine sun-warmed terracotta floors, rustic wood beams, creamy textured walls, and accents that whisper stories of old-world charm. Here's the twist. We're not recreating a hacienda from the past. We're blending its spirit with modern sensibilities. This episode is your personal guide to reimagining hacienda interiors that feel fresh, grounded, and completely livable for today's world. Segment 1. The core elements: color, texture, and materials. Let's break down the DNA of a modern hacienda makeover, starting with color and texture. The base of this style is earthy tones: soft white, warm sand, caramel, terracotta, muted olive, and deep rust. These shades reflect sun-baked clay, old plaster, and natural stone. Next is texture: smooth meets rough. Think lime-washed walls with woven rugs, leather chairs, raw wood, and hammered metal. Avoid shiny or synthetic materials. The goal is natural and authentic. To make it modern, keep it simple, stick to a tight, neutral palette, let textures, not decorations, create the mood. Even one jute rug or a rustic wooden bench can bring hacienda warmth into a modern home. Segment 2. Living room transformation. Start with the walls. Use creamy off-white or clay tone lime wash, and if you want more character, add wooden or fox ceiling beams. Choose furniture with natural materials like linen or cotton sofas, wooden coffee tables with visible grain, and leather accent chairs. Keep the shapes simple but solid, and replace standard lighting with iron sconces or a handcrafted chandelier. Finish the look with thoughtful accents: a big terracotta pot in the corner, a rustic ladder for blankets, and handmade ceramics on open shelves, and add plants such as olive trees, snake plants, or palms in clay pots to soften the space. The key is balance. Keep it clean and uncluttered, but full of texture and warmth so it feels lived in and loved. Segment 3. Hacienda kitchen touches. The kitchen is the soul of a hacienda home, and you don't need a big remodel to capture the feel. Start with small changes. Add open wooden shelves for stoneware and jars, swap hardware for iron or brass, and use terracotta or Spanish-style tiles as accents. Natural touches like butcher block counters, woven baskets, and hanging herbs bring both beauty and function. For more character, paint lower cabinets in muted sage or clay while keeping the upper space light, and add woven bar stools, rustic pendant lighting, clay pitchers, and antique cutting boards. The goal is simple, a kitchen that feels warm, natural, and full of soul. Segment 4. Bedrooms and quiet corners. Bedrooms in a modern hacienda home should feel warm and natural. Start with a neutral base like plaster walls, linen bedding in soft tones, and a wooden headboard. Use light cotton or linen curtains, and keep furniture simple, stools or crates as nightstands, with iron lamps or clay sconces for a cozy glow. Add character with small details, a vintage throw, handmade cushions, or an old rug. Create a quiet nook with a leather chair, rustic table, and a lamp, or use baskets and pottery with dried branches. Keep the space uncluttered but soulful, so it feels calm and lived in. Segment 5. Entryway, bathrooms, and final touches. For the entryway, keep it warm and welcoming with terracotta tiles or an earthy rug, a solid wood console, and a vintage mirror with iron details. Add simple accents like a bowl for keys, dried flowers, or woven baskets to bring texture. In the bathroom, aim for a natural and calming feel. Use a vessel sink on a wooden vanity, iron towel rings, and neutral artisan tiles. Small touches like clay pots, warm-toned hand towels, candles, or earthy artwork keep the space simple but soulful, true to the modern hacienda spirit. And that's it, a full look at modern hacienda style, a way to bring warmth and character into any home. You don't need a villa or a big budget to get the feel. With the right colors, textures, and natural materials, even a simple apartment can feel like a hacienda retreat. If today's video sparks some ideas, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite hacienda element? Are you drawn to the earthy tones, rustic wood, or those charming iron accents? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly inspirations from Liviaro Studio. Until next time, may your home be full of calm, character, and connection. And thanks for watching.